children. March 26th, we went to North Carolina. This crazy versus crazy. Papa versus Eric Young. Eric Young. So you're the king of the mountain of your kingdom. You once held the treasure of your kingdom. And you are considered the crazy one of your kingdom. But March 26th, you are stepping into Papa's kingdom, where Papa has the treasure. Papa has his children, his family. It's Papa's domain, Papa's world. So, Eric Young, you and Papa both like to grab necks. Bring your pile driver. Try to pile drive Papa. Try to pile drive Papa through the ground. Best you can. Because if you don't, Papa is gonna grab your neck. And all you feel will be the snap, crackle, and a term you know all so well. Pop. EY, sleep well. Because Papa's watching. And on March 26th, you will come to Papa.